What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna make this chest from Minecraft that can open and close. So with that said, let's get right into the video. I attached the hinge with nails using a nail machine gun. Here is the final result of the project I've been working on the last couple of days. As you can see, you can open it and close it, and I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. You can put everything in the box you want. My box is 200mm by 200mm big. I want to thank you so much for watching to this video. If you're new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and I see you next time. Bye!